Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So the title of this video is Sleeper Coins. Now what do I mean by sleeper coins? Okay, so what we're looking at here is a 1993 50-cent coin. Now, I mean a sleeper coin being a coin that is in some ways overlooked and is undervalued. Okay, so I want to try and look at a few different examples of sleeper coins. So today we're going to start with the 1993 50-cent coin. So to understand why I believe this is a sleeper coin, I just want to go through and show you a few reasons why we will compare it to that of the 1985 50-cent coin. Alright, so let's look at the mintage first of the 1993 50-cent coin. So here it is here. This is on the Royal Australian Mint website. So the 1993 has a mintage of 1 million. Okay, so it is classed as a low mintage coin. So now we need to look at some prices. What are they actually available to buy for on eBay? So here we are, I've done a search, 1993 50-cent coin. And we've got a few different results here, but let's have a look at what you're actually able to buy them for. And what I'm talking about here is coins that you can find in circulation. So both these two coins can be found in circulation and fairly consistently have about the same sort of condition. And that's what we're sort of looking at here. We're finding coins that are of similar condition to what we find in circulation. Sure, there'll be uncirculated coins in this list here, but unless you've got those coins, they're always going to be more valuable. But let's have a look at these coins that are low mintage and have been circulated and are showing signs of wear. Okay, so we can see here we've got one up the top here that you can buy that for $3. Here's 4 of them for $13.50. Just a little bit of postage. So these are $2.50, $3 coins. Some other examples. Here's another one for $7.50. Here's another one for $3 plus a little bit of postage. So you're seeing what I'm saying, that these coins are fairly cheap. They're cheap coins, and when we do the comparison soon, you'll see why I'm calling them a sleeper coin. So let's have a look at the sold figures. So the first one here, someone tried to auction, they got $1.70 for it. Another one sold here for $3. Another one for $3. $3.95. Someone accepted a best offer of less than $3. $4.40. Another $3. So fairly consistently you would say that a 1993 50-cent coin currently in today's market in July 2019 is worth around $3 each. Now the coin that we're comparing it to, the 1985 50-cent coin, only 8 years older, very small amount of time. So let's have a look at the mintage on that one. 1985 is 1 million, so exactly the same mintage, a coin that is 8 years older, exactly the same design, and can be found in circulation. So there it is down the bottom here, 1 million for the 93 and 1 million for the 85. So let's have a look at the 85 coins and let's check what people are asking for those guys on eBay. We're looking for coins that look circulated. So here's one. This one looks circulated. There's a $12 offer there, $11.50 for that one. It's uncirculated, but it's bidding. One of them for $12. Lightly circulated for $19.50, and a bid for that's uncirculated. Another one here for $12. So you see what's going on here. A lot of them are around that $12 mark in circulated condition. Here's another one for $15. So a lot higher than the 1993. But what are they actually selling for? That's always the most important part. Well, that one there was a proof coin. Here's one for $12 it sold for. Another one doesn't say uncirculated, so $14.95. Lightly circulated, $13.50. Oh, that one's a specimen. So here's another one, $11.50. So these things are selling for a lot more than $3, and they are certainly more difficult to find in circulation because they've probably been pulled out of circulation, and they've got an 8-year head start. So these guys aren't as readily available to find, but their dollar value is certainly starting to move, because I think in the past couple of years, I reckon that these have almost doubled in price in the past couple of years. So I would expect that over the next 5 to 8 years, that the same is going to occur with the 1993 50-cent coin. And these can be found in circulation. I still find them fairly regularly. I also find the 85s, but I'm certainly finding a lot more 93s than I am 85s. And it wasn't until I started to do some research for this video that I didn't realize that the 85s had gone up in value that much. So all of a sudden, I'm looking at my collection and going, oh, okay, wow, they are certainly starting to appreciate in value. So I think basically what I'm saying is, this is the fun part of collecting, is also speculating on what values are going to be in the future. And I think here's a very, very good example to look at our first sleeper coin and do some comparisons on, because they were both released into circulation, and I think the same is going to happen with this coin in the future. It's going to get more scarce. More and more collectors are going to want to hold them. The Mint, Royal Australian Mint, are certainly doing their best to promote coins and get more collectors on board. So I think holding these kinds of coins and noodling and trying to find them is certainly well worth doing and well worth holding on to. Alright guys, that's about it for this video, but if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. I want to keep looking at other sleeper coins. If you have more suggestions of coins that we can look at, either drop me an email. My email will be in the link in the description below, or you can just leave a comment and I'll take a look. I'd like to try and do a few more of these videos and have a look at other ways that we can look at investing and holding the right coins. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up just to show your support, that you enjoy the channel, and I look forward to bringing more videos to you soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching.